Okay guys, we're here at Oscar Hernandez's install. Okay, here's the main panel. We're going to tie in. Here's the PV breaker right here. We're going to bring our solar in. Here's the AC disco. Here's the combiner for the strings of the solar panels. There's 4 strings of 8, so they're all going to come down. Each string is going to come down and go into each one of these breakers. It gets combined. It comes out roughly 80 amps, 70 to 80 amps. Comes out here and then get backfed into that 70 amp GE ABB breaker right there. So the path is conduit's going to come here and then go up on that roof. And then we're going to run the PV wires down into this combiner.